The art of biryani, unveiling the essence of a culinary masterpiece. Welcome, foodies, to another delightful journey through the world of gastronomy. Today, we're diving into the rich and aromatic world of biryani. But hold on, we're not cooking it this time. Instead, we'll explore the captivating story and flavors behind this beloved culinary masterpiece. So, let's get started. Biryani, a dish that tantalizes our taste buds and transports us to a world of aromatic bliss. With its origins shrouded in mystery. Biryani has evolved over centuries and traveled across continents, captivating hearts and palates alike. Legend has it that biryani traces its roots back to the royal kitchens of ancient Persia. It then traveled to the Indian subcontinent through the Mughal Empire. Since then, biryani has become an integral part of the diverse culinary landscape of the Indian subcontinent. What makes biryani truly exceptional is its symphony of flavors and aromatic spices. From the warm and earthy aroma of cinnamon and cloves to the fiery notes of red chili. Each spice plays a crucial role in creating the distinctive taste of biryani. Rice, the heart and soul of biryani, is cooked to perfection, each grain separate yet infused with the essence of the spices. The fragrant basmati rice, with its delicate aroma and long grains, is the preferred choice for many biryani enthusiasts. As biryani made its way across different regions, it adapted to the local flavors, resulting in a plethora of tantalizing variants. From the rich and flavorful Lucknowi biryani to the spicier Hyderabadi biryani, and the fragrant Kolkata biryani, each variant has its own distinct personality. Biryani has become a culinary ambassador, representing the diverse cultures and traditions of its place of origin. It has even found its way onto the tables of many global food enthusiasts, sparking a fascination for its unparalleled taste and aroma. But biryani is not merely a dish, it is an experience. The art of savoring biryani lies in the community that forms around it, the joy of sharing a meal with loved ones, and the memories created around the dinner table. So, next time you indulge in a plate of biryani, take a moment to appreciate the history and heritage behind this culinary masterpiece. Embrace the aroma. Savor the flavors, and allow biryani to transport you to a world of culinary delight. That wraps up our exploration of biryani, a dish that celebrates the union of flavors and brings people together. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more